Welcome to the year 2300, where bioengineering has taken a front lead, with nature being an intimate part of our lives in the midst of a technologically advanced society. Bioengineering advancements have paved the way for these creations, allowing us to program organic matter that grows and changes with us. Most importantly, we've discovered the profound healing power of nature and carry on with technology, which remains an integral part of our lives. A person wakes up, not to the blaring sound of an alarm clock, but to the gentle rustling of leaves from their bioluminescent organic earwear. Genetically modified jewelry are living, breathing companions programmed with the essence of nature that responds to touch and movement, growing and changing alongside its wearer, not only fulfilling practical functions, but also providing a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. We're immersing ourselves in these artificial natural forms for a sensory experience that's off the charts, offering us a unique form of natural therapy. We continue to innovate and explore the possibilities. We are reminded that nature and technology are not opposing forces, but partners in this extraordinary dance of life.